Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new around here, my name is Crypto Talks and I make daily technical analysis and price news. If you're returning, welcome back. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Cardano and its price news and news itself. And if you want more of these types of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that, let's get on into the video. As we always begin in these types of videos, we always start with some market analysis, and so let's just begin. Bitcoin is currently up 2.03% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 10,872 US dollars. Ethereum following close by with a 1.95% increase and $357, and the entire sentiment overall is just follow Bitcoin and rise upwards. Bcash currently 6.23, 5.45%, sorry, currently trading at 4.38. And what we're going to be looking at today is Cardano, which currently is back into the top 10 and currently ranked number 9 with an 11.4% increase in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.1055 US dollars. Onto the first article, which states Cardano's voting system will make it the most valuable cryptocurrency. IOHK will develop a voting system that will initially be limited to project funding and later CIPs, which are also known as Cardano Improvement Proposals. The system will make the Cardano ecosystem hard fork resistant and the most valuable cryptocurrency, according to Charles Hoskinson. Reading further, Hoskinson said that 30% of all the blocks are now produced by the community stake pools, which are over 1,000 right now, and 50% of all the ADA are actually staked. And this figure is supposed to be rising to 50% by early November. But this is only the beginning. With Voltaire, the final phase of development, the Cardano network will become a self-sustaining system. And this upgrade will introduce a voting and treasury system that will enable network participants to influence the future development of the network with their shares and voting rights. But before it gets that far, it will need training wheels, as was already the case with the ITN or the incentivized testnet, which Hoskinson said. And I think overall, this really all states to Cardano being one of the best, if not the best, cryptocurrency. In the next 3 to 5 years, or even further, we may have so much adoption, and Charles Hoskinson had said that this time next year there will be 1,000 dApps or decentralized apps on Cardano. I don't know how true this may be, but if it is, we will have large adoption. And what this will exactly lead to is, firstly, of course, more adoption, which I think that's the case. Secondly, it will mean more awareness of Cardano itself. And thirdly, this will be all linked together. It will mean the price of ADA will increase. And I think this is very much possible in the next 3 to 5 years plus. Onto the second article, which says Charles Hoskinson's treasury concept is about to get its first real-world test drive with Project Catalyst. Reading further, it says IOHK has distributed 250,000 US dollars worth of ADA to Project Catalyst. These funds will be allocated to several Cardano-based projects proposed by the community, and Project Catalyst is one of the building blocks of Cardano's Voltaire era, which is expected to bring decentralized governance to the ecosystem. You can read all the articles down below in the description if you guys do want to, but the general sentiment of ADA is real-world adoption. So it all leads back to greater awareness. Greater awareness means more adoption, and more adoption means greater price in ADA. And do I believe ADA will reach $1 or even reach the all-time highs again? I sure do. I think it will beat it by a mile shot. It will go to the moon and even further, maybe Mars. And why do I believe this? Back in the bull run of 2017, Cardano hit $1.20, and this was based on hype alone. And if we bring it back to September 2020, we have actual use cases, and we are getting use cases, as I will just show you in the next article. Back 2 days ago, on the 26th of September, we just had a surprise AMA, and within this, we saw something which really surprised us all. Hoskinson had mentioned an Ethereum project that's migrating to Cardano's ecosystem. And many people are speculating that this project is AGI or Singularity Net, because Charles Hoskinson just had a 90-minute interview with the CEO. I think this all shows how Cardano is actually going to be used. More people will start getting into it and the price of it will increase. So onto the technical analysis aspect of it all. In the past 30 days, we have had a downwards turn and it has formed a little wedge which we have broken out of. In the coming days stroke weeks, we will probably rise up to the 0.116 level and potentially have a retest there or a potential line of resistance. If we do break through that, that will indicate how bullish we actually are and the bulls are in control, and the next point of resistance stroke support would be the 0.1299 US dollars level. But if we take the wrong turn or go have the bearish movement, which we may possibly have, a next point of entry could be the 0.098 level, and we could have a potential downwards turn and then a full upwards. And if we do have a further downwards turn, which is very much possible with all these, as crypto is very unintuitive, the next point of entry would be around the 0.075 level, which I hope we don't reach again, but it is very much possible that we will reach it. Looking at another indicator called the RSI, and if you don't know what this is, if it's above 70, we are in a region of overbought and you may have some potential downside movements. As you can see from here, we did breach the 70 and then we had a bit of a downturn, and if it is less than 30, it's in the oversold region and then you have a potential buying opportunity. And currently we are at a 56.64 on the RSI, which is near the middle, so I would be wary of entering any positions right now as it could go bi-directional. So if we do go further up, maybe hold off buying some ADA right now. If we go further down, that's a potential buy point. I just want to end off with some thank yous for subscribing, liking and commenting. It really does mean a lot. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.